Disulfiram is a drug which is used in the treatment of alcohol dependence. So, in this treatment, this drug is going to prevent the relapse of alcohol consumption. That is, it will prevent the patient from again consuming alcohol. And let's see how it is. So, this drug is going to act in the metabolism of alcohol. That is, we know that in the alcohol metabolism, the ethanol is converted into acetaldehyde by the enzyme alcohol dehydrogenase, and the acetaldehyde is converted into acetic acid by the enzyme aldehyde dehydrogenase. So the drug disulfiram is going to inhibit the aldehyde dehydrogenase enzyme. So as a result, this conversion of acetaldehyde to acetic acid does not happen, and thus the acetaldehyde will be accumulated in the body, and thus there will be acetaldehyde toxicity. So let's see how this particular action is going to help in alcohol relapse prevention. So let's see. Suppose the patient has initially took this drug, and after some time, suppose if the patient feels to consume alcohol, suppose this patient get a craving for this alcohol, and he's going to consume the even a tiny amount of alcohol, then what happens is that the metabolism of alcohol is inhibited at this particular step, and as a result what happens, the acetaldehyde will be accumulated in the body, and thus the symptoms of acetaldehyde toxicity will be experienced by that person, and these symptoms include flushing, that is redness over the face, nausea, vomiting, headache, palpitations, sweating, dizziness, visual disturbances, anxiety, burning sensation. Likewise, the patient is going to experience some adverse effects. So, so what happens? So now this patient had experienced all the symptoms because the patient consumed alcohol. So this drug, it is this, but these symptoms are actually due to the drug, which is inhibiting the alcohol metabolism. So thus the patient is going to develop a dislike towards this alcohol consumption. That is, if he consumes the alcohol, he is going to experience all these things. So this drug is going to create an aversion in this patient towards the consumption of alcohol, and this is how this drug will act in this alcohol dependence treatment.